Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avinash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, GBP JPY, you can also check out the Forex analysis playlist as well. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of gold in front of us right now, and as we all know that gold is unstoppable. Okay, and the reason is very simple. There is a crisis going on in the world right now. There is a tension between Ukraine and Russia. As we all know that whenever there is a tension, there is a crisis in the world. The gold being this as considered as the safest investment option, it always goes up. Right now, there is a tension, so we are seeing that gold is extremely bullish. And the current market price of gold is 1897. Though gold is trying to form a temporary resistance here, okay, we can see that gold is facing some kind of selling pressure around 1902 level. But this is a news driven market. Okay, if we see something regarding the war again, market will react, and yes, market will definitely break the level of 1902. In the morning, I found this. Russia intends to attack Ukraine in next week or days, says US President Joe Biden. So the tension is not yet over. The tension is still there in the market. So if the tension continues, therefore, the possibility of gold going up still stays in the market as well. Sadly, if we go to the Forex sentiment meter here, we see that 78% retail traders are still on the sell side and the average selling position is 1840 level. My dear friends, if you have a sell position on gold right now, then it's high time to exit from the market because as you can see that the tension is not over yet. In fact, it is getting more intense day by day. So if the same tension continues in the market, so in the coming days 1950 a 2000 level will also be seen in the market. Okay, and if market reaches the level of 1950 level, obviously you will regret not exiting around 1890 or 1900 level. Okay, so keep in mind it's your hard-earned money, my dear friend. So it's your duty to protect it. Okay, so if you have made a mistake, then actually the thing is that every trader should know when to exit from a trade. Okay, and most important, you should know when to jump off a ship. Okay. Anyways, if you have hedged your position, that's a different chapter. If you have not hedged your position, then my dear friend, you are at big risk right now because the tension is not over yet. Okay, I don't want to talk about DXY right now because the market is extremely sensitive and gold is reacting to the news only. Okay, in case any news comes out that Russia and Ukraine is about to have a peace talk, then obviously we will see selling on gold. Okay. In case we see that any news comes out that Russia is about to attack Ukraine or something like that, okay, then obviously gold will give us a big green candles. So market is extremely sensitive to news right now, and as a result, you should also trade accordingly. If we follow the chart here, right now 1900 1902 level is acting as a resistance. But you should not take a sell position if you do not have considerable experience in the market. Because if you take a sell position here, okay, then there is a high chance of getting trapped. If you are a scalper, if you have a considerable experience in the market, then only you should take a sell position or look for sell position at this market. Okay. Otherwise, if you are a new trader, if you have been trading for let's say around 1 year, 1.5 years, 2 years, then in this market condition, buying is the only option for you. See, my my intention is to show you the right path. That's why I'm sharing this. Okay, because each and every day I get messages, I get emails where people share their sad stories of losing their money, losing their capital. Okay, so it's really sad also. Okay, So that's why I'm just telling you straightly that this is the right path. Okay, and that's why I come every day, almost every day on YouTube, and just to tell you that these are the points. Okay, these are the levels, because I know that if I make videos or if I don't make videos, it hardly matters. Okay, you obviously you all will trade. Okay, because those who love trading, they will always trade. But one thing you should never forget, that there is a difference between trading and gambling. Okay, in fact, when I was a beginner, I also had no idea, okay, that I was just gambling. After around 2 years, 2.5 years, 2.5 years, I realized that I was not trading, it was simply gambling. So I always try to come every day on YouTube just to tell you that you can trade here, here, here. Okay, so that you can protect your money, you can do something with your hard-earned money. Okay, so in this market condition, again I'm telling, taking a sell position is very risky until and unless there is a big stock or something comes up regarding that war is about to over and all. Okay, do not take any sell position. Scalpers, experienced traders, they can take a sell position, that's a different chapter. But otherwise, beginners, new traders, you should look for buy position only. If market comes down on Monday after the market opening, watch the market around 1881 or 1886 level. There's a good chance of market bouncing from this level. Okay, if market comes down and bounces from here, you can take a buy position. Confirmation is always important, because confirmation is the insurance of traders. So the confirmation will be in the form of a hammer. Confirmation can be in the form of a bullish pin bar. It means that any good price rejection from below, because price rejection tells you that buyers are present in the market. Okay, once you see the price has been rejected from below in this level only, okay, take a buy, because this is a buying at deep market. Buying at deep. Okay, and on the other hand, if market doesn't come down and if you see the market is a very bullish market going up, then let the market cross 1902 level. Okay, let the market cross 1902 level. If market crosses 1902 level, and obviously it will cross if the tension continues, then watch the market and see how the market is reacting. If you see that market is trading comfortably above 1902 level, okay, for 30 minutes, 40 minutes, if you see that, yeah, and then obviously you can take a buy position as well, because we will get a confirmation that the resistance has become the new support. Yes, resistances become support in the market, support become resistances in the market. Right now 1900 level is a resistance. If market breaks it, this will be the new support for the market. And then you can take a buy position as well. So beginners, you can take buy position at this level or at this level. And if something weird happens in a market, don't worry, obviously I'm coming on Monday and I'll tell you what should be your next strategy. And anyways, I would like to add one more thing here. Okay, as you can see that I have not discussed DXY, it's not required now because market is sensitive to news only. Okay, so these are the two levels important for you as of now. And stay stay in touch with the news, because it's very very important. So that's it. I will not go in detail because this is a simple market, not simple, okay, very simple strategy. That's it. Okay, bye bye, take care, see you on Monday.